Everyone thinks the best-selling crystal deodorants are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Crystal Deodorant Stick. Let's kick things off with the Crystal Deodorant Stick. This unscented option from Crystal Essence caught my attention because it's been around for over 35 years, priced at just $7.49. If you want a reliable, natural solution for odor control, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This deodorant is made from natural mineral salts, and it's designed not to block your pores, which is pretty gross when you think about it. Instead, it allows your body to function naturally while controlling odors for up to 24 hours. Plus, it's non-sticky and non-staining, so no embarrassing white marks on your clothes. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and completely free of harsh chemicals like aluminum and parabens, making it a safe choice for everyone. Now, some people complained about it not having a scent at all, which can be a deal breaker if you prefer a fragrance. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a deodorant to let your natural scent shine through while still keeping you fresh, this is actually a positive. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, natural deodorant without added fragrances. Skip this one if you can't live without a signature scent. For the price, it offers great value for a quality product. Now, if the lack of fragrance in the stick bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Crystal Deodorant Roll-On. The Crystal Deodorant Roll-On in lavender and white tea. Priced at $17 for a pack of 3, this one is perfect if you want a soothing scent. If you want a natural deodorant that not only works but smells great, you should definitely check this out. What's intriguing about this roll-on is that it's not just for women. Anyone can use it. The aluminum-free formula is gentle on the skin and offers odor protection for up to 24 hours. It's also dermatologically tested, so you know it won't irritate your skin, which is a big relief for those with sensitive skin. The soothing lavender and white tea scent is natural and not overpowering, making it a pleasant choice for daily use. Now, some reviews mention that it can feel a bit wet after application, which can be uncomfortable. But honestly, for a roll-on, this is expected. As long as you give it a moment to dry, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a light, pleasant fragrance while staying fresh throughout the day. Skip it if you prefer unscented options or if you're in a hurry and need something that dries instantly. Overall, it's a solid choice if you appreciate a nice scent without sacrificing natural ingredients. All right. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who travel a lot.
Product number 3, Crystal Travel Deodorant Stick. Let's look at the Crystal Travel Deodorant Stick. This one is a convenient 1.5-ounce size for just $4.49, perfect for tossing in your bag. If you want something easy to carry that still keeps you fresh, this is worth considering. What's great about this product is that it retains all the benefits of the original Crystal deodorant, but in a travel-friendly size. With its non-sticky and non-staining formula, you can apply it without worrying about ruining your clothing. It offers the same natural odor protection for up to 24 hours, which is a major win when you're on the go. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice. On the downside, some users have mentioned that it can take a bit longer to dry than expected. But honestly, if you're using it right after your shower, a couple of extra minutes shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is great for you if you travel frequently or just want a small deodorant for your gym bag. Skip this if you prefer larger sizes or need a quick drying formula. For the price, it's a fantastic option that makes freshness portable. Now, if you're looking for a roll-on that packs a punch and scent, the next product is just what you need.
Product number 4, Crystal Lavender and White Tea Roll-On. Let's talk about the Crystal Lavender and White Tea Roll-On, priced at $6.62. If you love the calming fragrance of lavender and want something effective, this could be your new go-to. This deodorant provides an invisible protective barrier against odor-causing bacteria, which is especially important if you're active. It's aluminum-free and endorsed by cancer treatment centers, which adds a level of trust for those concerned about ingredients. The scent is light and refreshing, making it perfect for everyday use. You still get 24-hour protection while allowing your skin to breathe. However, a few users have noted that it can take a bit longer to dry, which might be a hassle if you're in a rush. But I'd argue that taking a minute to ensure you're fresh is worth it, especially if you're concerned about odor throughout the day. This is perfect for you if you want a naturally scented deodorant that actively fights odor. Skip it if you're in a hurry or dislike waiting for products to dry. For the quality and effectiveness, it's a solid buy. Finally, let's look at one more product that offers a similar experience but is great for everyday use.
Product number 5, Crystal Mineral Roll-On. The last option is the Crystal Mineral Roll-On and Unscented, available for $16.67 for a pack of 3. If you want all-day protection without any scent, this one might be just what you need. This roll-on deodorant is designed for those who want to avoid fragrances altogether, while still benefiting from the natural mineral ingredients. It promises all-day protection, and with its clean ingredient list, you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals. It's gentle on sensitive skin, leaving no stains or sticky residue. That said, some users have reported that it doesn't mask odor as well as scented options, which can be a drawback for some. But if you're looking for something entirely unscented, this is a perfect fit. This is ideal for you if you want a straightforward, effective deodorant without any added fragrances. Skip this if you prefer a scented product, or if you want something with more powerful odor control. The value is excellent for a 3-pack, especially if you're a fan of clean, simple ingredients. We've looked at the Crystal Deodorant Stick for a classic choice, the Lavender and White Tea Roll-On for a soothing scent, the Travel Deodorant Stick for convenience, the Lavender Roll-On for a gentle fragrance, and the unscented option for those who want pure protection. Each one has its strengths and could be the perfect fit depending on your needs. Happy deodorant hunting!